Hello everyone, how are you doing today? In this video, I want to talk about drawing area, layout size, paper size, and plot scale. And about the relation to print. With that being said, let's begin. So right now, I don't want these words to bother me. I just delete them. So before I start drawing, I want to know the drawing size. So let's go to the grid at the bottom of the screen, right click and grid setting. Right now, let's uncheck display grid beyond limits. Okay, let's do a zoom extent. On the right side of the screen, we see the navigation bar. Let's click this. So now we see the grid just within the drawing area. So I know exactly the size of the drawing area. So let's put the cursor here. So we see that the coordinates 12 and 9. So this is about drawing size. So if I want to set the drawing size, I have to use limits command. Click. So actually, I don't want to change it. I just press Escape. So right now, I want to make a drawing. So I want to draw two circles. Click the circle command on the top right and select the center here. A small circle. So let's click the circle command and draw a big circle. Right now, this circle, I want to draw it a little bit larger. So part of the circle is outside of the drawing area. So right now, let's go to the layout. At the bottom left, click here, layout 1. Right now we see it. This is the layout. Actually, the size of this area, the white area, is the layout size. Right now, let's check the size. So I want to use the annotation and select the dimension. I want to marry it from here to here. So right now we see the size. The width is about 8.5. So let's measure length. So the length is about 11. So right now we know the size, the layout size, and but we see that here it is the viewpoint. So it's actually the screen. Actually, the screen is connecting to the model, this area. So right now, the drawing is not within the viewpoint. So let's go to the scale to select it. First, let's go to the bottom. Let's select model. Right now, let's go to here, the scale. Adjust the scale a little bit. Click it and select the scale to fit. And now we see that the drawing is fit. The fit actually fits the viewport. So I want to print my drawing right now. So before doing that, let's check. So let's go to the viewport layout, right click and select the plot. So right now we see the paper size. So this is the default paper size. It's 8.5 times 11 inch. So let's go back and see it. We see that this is exactly the size of the layout side, right? So 11 and 8.5 exactly the same. So we said that the layout size is exactly to the paper side. So let's try to change it. So I want to select the legal, make it a little bit wider, and I select here, bottom here, apply to layout. Let's see what happens. And click OK. Just ignore it. Okay, we see that the layout side is changing, it's larger than before. Let's go back and see it. So right now the paper side is another one. So 8.5 times 14. So we know that the layout side is the paper side. Okay, so we also notice that right now we select the scale to fit, and we find that this is really the scale. It's close to 0.5. So we can select this as 1.5, 1 to 2. So we know the scale, so we know the drawing scale, and we know the scale in the layout. So we know how to convert the drawing scale and the real scale of the object. So if I want to print this, I just simply go to plot and select PDF and paper size. This is legal. So I just want to have a preview first. So we see that it's like this. So I don't want to save it because I just want to demonstrate to you. Thanks very much for your watching. If you have any question, please feel free to let me know.